Welcome back, everybody. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host, as always. It's Paul Motley here. And today, this week, Monday, days fly by, weeks fly by, months fly by. But we should all be building together. We should all be pushing forward, right? So I just wanted to point out a couple of things that I've got going on this week for you. So just line a couple of absolutely rock star interviews. So I've got one coming out tomorrow, another one coming out on Wednesday. Really excited about this. You know, the whole 6 degrees of separation thing, right? And, you always know someone who knows someone who knows someone. Well, on Wednesday, I'm talking to a guy who is right next to Tony Robbins. Right, this is going to be absolute gold. So I want you to make sure that you do subscribe to the podcast. You make sure that you go back and listen to all the other episodes, because if I was to package this up as a product, if you like, the entire podcast, it would easily sell for tens of thousands of dollars, because it has been a massive journey, and a lot of people have listened to it, and I've seen what they've done since they started listening to it as well. And if you're one of those people, then I am talking directly to you. I do know who you are, okay? But it's really cool, and I like getting feedback as well. So if you are on my Facebook and you listen to the podcast, then just ping something on Facebook, tag me in it, say which episode you listened to, or if you're a subscriber or something like that. And, I just want to put out a little bit of appreciation for you guys as well. So that's all good and well. So let's think about what we've been up to stretching out a bit now. I've been learning stuff all the while, and I like to teach you guys what I pick up, what I test out myself, because I don't want you to go out there and blindly try things that I just happened upon, right? So I would rather be the guinea pig. At the end of the day, I don't want anyone to put their hands in their pockets and pull their wallets out and buy anything until I've tried and tested it myself. And that's kind of like my ethos going along forwards as well. And there's going to be some really cool stuff coming up in the next couple of weeks. November should see the relaunch of the Easy Leads program training. It's going to be priced now at $297. The main reason being is because I'm going to record some extra training, so some extra value in there. There's like one-click installs to really try and help speed the process up for you guys, because I know how incredible it is to have your own email list. I know how powerful it is, and being able to create leads like 10 to 20 times cheaper than what I've ever done before just makes a massive difference, right? It really does make a huge difference. And they say like, oh, email is dead, right? Well, I'm going to hear and say I'm calling bullshit on that. Right? I sent an email out a few days ago to a segment of my audience, right? And I got like I think actually it was closer to 60% open rate. A 60% open rate on emails. And inside the email, there was obviously a call to action, which means that ActiveCampaign, the autoresponder that I prefer, measures not only how many people opened it, but also how many people clicked a link within that. And I think it was like 42% click-through rate. Now, go back and consult the oracles and post on Facebook, ask people what sort of open rates they're getting, what sort of click-through rates they're getting. On average, people tend to get around 20% if their email list is warm and is used to getting their emails and stuff like that. And they'd be lucky to get a 2 to 3% click-through rate. But just by doing what I've been doing and using these incredibly targeted but cheap leads, I've been getting those sort of open rates, those sort of click rates, which ultimately means that I grow my business faster, I grow my business stronger, and that's what I want for you guys as well. So make sure you hang on in there, keep with the podcast itself. As I said before, go ahead and tag me in a post on your Facebook if you are listening right now. Yeah, this is like your mini homework, if you like. So see who actually takes action and who can be really bothered to do this. But it'd be interesting to see how many people do, because I get to see how many people download this podcast every day. And, you know, we're over 10,500 downloads on this now. So there's a whole bunch of people out there, and I just want to test this out, see if you're listening. So wherever you are in the world, whatever you're doing right now, as soon as this finishes, go ahead and drop me a tag on your Facebook, because I will be absolutely amazed and super appreciative. And there might even be something as a little thank you comes along that way as well. So I'm not going to say what it is, but, you know, this is me just putting it out there. So anyway, I will catch up with you all again tomorrow. Don't forget, I do these every day. So look out for the first interview tomorrow with an absolute rock star in the affiliate marketing world. You are going to love the interview that I do tomorrow. So make sure you tune into that. And that is me out for today.